How to scan multiple pages into one PDF. If any day you would like to scan multiple pages into one PDF but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch Cam Scanner on your very mobile device. You have to have this very application named as Cam Scanner on your mobile device. For that, you can go to the Play Store on your mobile device and install the Cam Scanner application on your very mobile device. After you have installed the very Cam Scanner application on your mobile device, you have to tap on it like this. After tapping on it like this, you can see that the application will be launched. So after you launch the very application Cam Scanner, now you can see an interface like this. Now what you have to do is, you have to go to the camera-like icon on the downside. After you tap on the camera-like icon on the downside, you can see an interface like this. Now here you have a lot of options. You have to go to the option of the batch mode. After that, you can click the very picture that you want or that you would like to create the PDF of. After that, you can also turn off the page and again you can click the next picture as well. So this way you can click as much as picture that you want. Now after you click it on the batch mode, you have to click on the pictures like this and then you can scan it on a very nice mode by setting it to the magic mode, and then you have to click on it by clicking on the option like this. After you click on it like this, now you can see that a PDF mode will be seen here. You can go to the option of the share here. After going to the option of the share here, you can see the option of share PDF, share Word, share as long image and share JPG. Now you have to go to the option of share PDF and you can share the PDF file to anyone that you want. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.